As a top listing agent, I will make every effort to ensure your selling experience is as smooth and stress-free as possible. My team and I can get you from selling to sold, fast and for top dollar. Call me to schedule a free market consultation. Make your appointment today to see this beautiful 2-story 5-bedroom brick home with 3 full bathrooms and 2-car garage. This home has an open floor plan with a clear view of the living room and fireplace. The fireplace is operated by remote control, no need to move any logs, just push a button and enjoy the warmth. You have a clear view of the living room from anywhere in the kitchen, which has plenty of storage in its high wooden cabinets. Relax in the master bedroom with high ceilings filled with natural sunlight from the 2 tall windows. Can't decide if you want a shower or tub? No worries, this you will have a bathtub and separate shower in master suite bathroom with walk-in closet. All bedrooms have carpet but bathrooms and rest of home have tile. This home has one neighbor to the right and a fenced backyard to the left. Property is occupied, so we must have a 2-hour advance notice for showing.